Hi, I'm Kendall Rawls, Director of Development with the Rawls Group Business Succession Planners, and I'm here to welcome you to How to Future-Proof Your Business Conversation series. Some dealers are interested in privately testing the sale waters to determine what is in their best interest, but do not want it disclosed or publicly known. In this episode, Pete Theil with Haig Partners and the Rawls Group Succession Planner, Champ Rawls, discuss different approaches to privately evaluate your options.
Well, a dealer can contact our firm and request a valuation of their business. We regularly enter into confidentiality agreements with dealers and provide an estimate of what we think the stores may sell for in a potential sale. These valuations are a great way for us to learn more about a potential client. We learn about the financials, we learn about the real estate, we learn about the business in general. It also allows a potential client to learn about us. We not only provide the dealer with data on the valuation and the numbers, but we really try to provide an honest opinion of what we think the stores would sell for in a potential sale. I would like to point out that there is absolutely no commitment from a dealer to hire us if they were to sell, although we would hope that they would hire us after going through the valuation process with us.
I would also add that this is a really, other than exactly what you just said, I'm trying to think of any other areas or paths. And, I think the auto industry is such a collegial, everybody talks, you get to 20 groups, you do these things, auto specific accountants work for your competitors or everywhere. And so this is a really hard one, I think, other than doing exactly what Peter said right there. But I think the best course of action is talk to your advisors. Those are the people who know other people in the industry. They know, what you're doing. They know the markets that are out there because they work in the auto business. So, confidentiality is a huge thing, and it gets busted a lot of the times, but that's your best, your attorney, your accountant, just the people that you rely on the most. They're going to have inside information from other people that they work with that could help you out.
I'll also point out that, CPAs can certainly provide valuations of your business. Typically, they are a little bit more by the book. Our firm will try to provide feedback and data that we are receiving in the market every day. So we try to go a little bit less by the book and more about what we're seeing in the market currently.
Well, and I don't think there's probably anybody better than, we're on this thing together, but I can toot the horn when I'm saying, because they might know that's what you guys do every day, talking to people confidentially about who's buying, who's selling, and if it's a good idea to do it. And so, I don't think it should, that should be the first place to go when considering this. And by definition, your job is to keep confidentiality, because if you can't be trusted, no one's going to go to you.
Exactly.
And so, I think, that's the pin on the end of the question that was asked there, that, both of our jobs, both of our companies, both of what we do is, if you breach trust, it will be known, and nobody else, so that it's a core principle, I think, of both of our firms. That's how we have to act.
Absolutely.
Future-proofing your business allows you to create more control over the future you envision. By proactively addressing possible, probable, and potential issues, you create many options at your fingertips. Do you have a question you want to discuss with an expert? Feel free to reach out directly to Pete or Champ at the email addresses listed on the screen. This is only one out of our 10-episode series focused on future-proofing your business. Continue listening to the series now or come back for more. Each topic featured may want you to learn something new. Future-proofing your business is a part of the Rawls Group's Advancing Your Business, People, and Legacy conversation series.